Hello and welcome to your drain kit installation guide for your John Deere Pea Auger. Pea Augers for John Deere are made by Combine World Manufacturing, a division of Parts ASAP. Now the Pea Auger for John Deere design does feature a motor at each end on each cross auger, but it's only the left-hand side that receives the drain kit. So if you have a new Pea Auger kit, there will be an elbow fitting pre-installed in the Pea Auger motor, but if you're installing this on a pre-existing Pea Auger, you'll want to start by removing the plug that's in the end of the motor there. You'll want to use an Allen key, and you want to make sure there's something to catch the oil, because the oil is going to come out of there. And then you want to install that elbow fitting. Once you've got that installed, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the thin hydraulic hose that's part of the drain kit, and we're going to install that onto the elbow fitting.
We hook that up. We disconnect one off the motor here. Okay, for the drain case, you remove the 90-degree elbow from the John Deere canvas motor, and you replace it with our 90-degree with the JAC end. Thread that in there.
To review, there are two kinds of fittings. There's a JIC, which has that flared conical ending, and then the ORFS is an O-ring face seal. So that's what the John Deere uses typically on all its factory connections.
And then put the T-fitting on.
Right, so this screws onto the T-fitting that was in your box. That's in the kit.
Then you can take the hose that's coming from your Pea Auger, attach it to your T-fitting here. Here. Then because this one is going to have your ORFS on here fitting, you need to put this fitting in here. It's going to have that little flat on there. Tie that in. And then put the other adapter one on here. And then you can tie this one into this top end of the T-fitting. This is the one that's the factory John Deere hose, because it's going to have the ORFS. That's what John Deere runs on all their fittings. So then you just snug everything up, and that will have your drain case motor for the Pea Auger installed.
Well, thanks for watching. If you want to see our website for installation manuals, accessories, and replacement parts, remember, if you are within that 1-year warranty, just call us before you order a replacement part. You should be covered. If you have any questions, or if you're just watching for your own information and you want to order a Pea Auger for John Deere, give us a call at 1-800-667-4515.